Hello friends, welcome to Electrical Design Engineering YouTube channel. In this lecture, we will create the second story of the building. This is the first floor, and this I have created the second floor. You can see like this. This is the second floor. Okay. You can also see 1 minute. I will show you the other things also. Story two, how the story two looks. This is what we will create in this video. This is story second. This is the ground floor and this is the first floor, and we will create this story in this lecture. Okay, this is the this is the place where we had left in the previous lecture, and now we are going to create second story and their rooms. First of all, you can select this one, and here you can select one thing. You can select this one and uncheck the ground floor. Now it remains on the first floor. Okay, then you can go to the DWG file or building connect one that you can go to the plans, and then here it is the 1 minute building construction. Oh, you can go to the building construction, and in the building construction you can create an empty story. The empty story is now second story. You can see the name here comes the second story. You can click on this, then click here and select the DWG file, that is block 2 second floor. Okay, now we can activate some more layers to this. I have hidden some layers to previously. Now I will activate some layers, more layers. Title block is not needed. Oh, this no, I can not needed yet. This is not needed. Not dimension is not needed. This okay, this is needed. This will help us to create drawing. This is not needed. This is not needed. This is also, you can keep it. This portion not needed yet. This okay, this is needed. Cutouts so that it can indicate what is the cutout. This portion is needed. Door swing is not needed, but doors are needed so that we can see where is the doors. Dimensions are not needed, and I think this is sufficient. Now go to the building construction, and in the building construction there are in new indoor contour and new outdoor contour. We will select the outdoor contour and start making the outdoor contour like this. You can select this portion, then go to this, this, this. Okay, I am selecting right, or it is not right. It is right. Okay, okay, okay. Then go to end of this. Okay, then move here to this portion. Then this, actually this drawing has some, this drawing is not correct. It has some variations. That is why our lines are not matching completely, but for learning purpose it is good. I can close the polygon. Okay, okay, now see, I think here it is wrong. We can adjust it a little bit like this. Okay, now see, the building, our second story building is now created. Okay, now we will go for the indoor contour. This, there is a draw indoor contour. Click on that and start drawing the indoor portion. And this is this like this, like this. You can select. Have patience. Patience is necessary for the design engineer because they have to work on very minute things. Then go to the this portion. Oh, 1 minute. Yes, this then this and close polygon. Now our first room is created in the second story building, the second story, and then click again, draw indoor contour. Then we can do this like this, like this, and like this. Okay, and close polygon, and then I will make this portion also this, and you can see there is a variation, but we came for learning purpose. It is good. And I can click yes now and draw indoor contour again. Click here, and click here, and go to here and close polygon. Now there is a this is not right. We can write it, correct it like this. Okay, now we will see in 3D what is happening, what is going to create. Okay, building is going to create one by one step. Now we will go for the again to indoor contour and make this white, this cutout portion. You can see one by one. You have to wait, you have patience for that to make the things right. Now we have to create one more room here. So what we can do, we can select this and go to indoor contour and click here and start moving like this very smoothly. When you practice continuously, then your hand will become fast automatically. Not first time when you do, you have a problem in creating like arcs because they need a patience. For that, you have to on the control Z, wait. There is this is the problem, and close polygon. Now our second room is also created. This room is created. Now you can see. Now we will check, is it okay? Here is a variation. We can click it and correct it like this. Okay, now here it is okay. Here everything is okay. Now we will go to this portion and we will create this portion. Then go to indoor contour and select this. Here it is a variation, but I will do what like this. You can make, see how fast I am doing. This is only, you can develop this thing with their practice. As much you practice, you can go for that. Your practice makes you perfect. Okay, okay, now we will get the polygon, close the polygon, and see what is our building. This is our building. Now we have to create here a bathroom, then the work will be finished. Okay, escape. Okay, now our building is ready. You can see now whatever we have shown at the first, the way that we have created. Okay, in the next lecture we will go for the building, and we will in the next lecture we will go for placing the doors and windows in the second lecture, in the second story, and other remaining things. Thank you.